Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning for Kids. This is your Divya ma'am, and today we'll be doing phonic sounds. Phonic sounds are nothing but the sounds of alphabets or letters. So shall we start? This is letter A. A. Sound of A is A. Apple, A. Axe, A. Ant, A. Arrow, A. This is letter B and sound of B is B. B. Ball, B. Boy, B. Balloon, B. Butterfly, B. This is letter C and sound of C is K. 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 Cat, K. Candle, K. Cow, K. Crayons. This is letter D and sound of D is D. 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 Dog, D. Drum, D. Duck, D. Dolphin. Now children, this is letter E and sound of E is A. This is not A. A is the sound of letter A. This is A. Letter E. Elephant A. Egg A. Envelope A. Engine A. Children, this is letter F and the sound of F is F. F. Fish F. Fan F. Fruits F. Flower F. Children, next letter is G and sound of G is G. G. Grapes G. Guitar G. Girl G. Giraffe G. So children, after G, next letter is H and the sound of H is H. H. House H. Hat H. Helicopter H. Hammer H. Next letter is I and the sound of letter I is E. E. Ice cream E. Iron E. Ink E. Igloo E. Next letter is J and sound of J is J. J. Jug J. Jeep J. Jelly J. Jellyfish J. Next letter is K and sound of K is K. K. Kite K. Key K. Kangaroo K. Kettle K. Now children, after K which letter comes? Yes, it's letter L and sound of letter L is L. L. Lion L. Lotus L. Leaf L. Lock L. Do you know which letter comes after letter L? Yes, you are right. It is letter M. And sound of M is M. M. Mango M. Monkey M. Man M. Moon M. Children, next letter is letter N. And sound of N is N. N. Nest N. Nib N. Net N. Necklace N. Now this letter is O and the sound of letter O is O. Orange O. Octopus O. Owl O. Now children, do you know which letter is this? Yes, it's letter P and sound of letter P is P. P. Parrot P. Pig P. Pan P. Parachute P. So after letter P, next letter is letter Q and sound of letter Q is Qua. Qua. Queen Qua. Quiet Qua. Quilt Qua. Quarter Qua. Now next letter is letter R and sound of letter R is R. R. Rat R. Rabbit R. Rose R. Ring, R. Children, next letter is letter S. And sound of letter S is S. 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 Sun, S. Strawberry, S. Snake, S. Children, another letter is letter T. And sound of T is T. T. Tiger, T. Tomato, T. Teddy, T. Tree, T. Now children, after letter T, next letter which comes up is letter U. And sound of U is A. Umbrella, urn, up, Now children, after letter U, the next letter is letter V. And the sound of letter V is V. V. Van, V. Vase, V. Vulture, V. Violin, V. So children, after letter V, the next letter is W. And sound of letter W is wa. Wa. It's not V. Va is the sound of letter V. This is W. Sound of W is wa. Wa. Watch, wa. Wheel, wa. Watermelon, wa. Window, wa. Now children, after letter W, the next letter is X. And the sound of letter X is cuss. Cuss. Xmas, cuss. Xylophone, cuss. X-ray, cuss. Now children, after letter X, the next letter which comes up is letter Y. And sound of Y is Y. Y. Yak, Y. Yoga, Y. Yellow, Y. Yam, Y. Yacht, Y. Now children, the last letter is letter Z. And the sound of letter Z is Z. Z. Zebra, Z. Zero, Z. Zip, Z. Zigzag, Z. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone for watching.